Oh, saan ka pupunta? Saan pupunta yan, Ava? Saan pupunta si baby Ava? Ah, careful. Ayan na, ayan na. Malikot na siya. Ay, don't go there. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Very good. Oh, where's your bag? Show mommy where your bag. Where's your bag? O, yun o. Hoy. Saan daw yung bag niya? Aba, ka-very good naman ng baby na yan. Ay, may bag siya. Tingnan ko yung laman ng bag mo, anak. Aba, tingnan natin yung laman ng bag. Halika dito. Ay, knock on the door ka na lang. Knock on the door. Knock, knock, knock. Knock on the door. Knock, knock, knock. O, knock ka na daw dyan sa door. Knock, knock, knock. O, give me, high five tayo, anak. High five. Ay, ano yan? Come here. I'll give it to mommy. Oops. O, high five tayo. High five.